If you are like me, who have experienced a lot of embarrassment in the past for horrible dancing, or you see the future and it looks like serious embarrassment is coming your way if you don't fix up, then this video is for you. We're going to teach you simple dance moves that we can do right now, and we're going to have a lot of fun. I just need you to do one thing for me. I want you to give yourself permission to enjoy yourself, to have fun. Focus more on how you feel and how the dance makes you feel than how you look. And if I go with that, then let me show you what we have to learn. Woo! So this is your right hand, this is your left hand, this is your right leg, this is your left leg. I flipped the video for you so you can get better at learning from me, and it can be a lot easier for you to process, understand, and enjoy yourself, right? Right, awesome. So do what you see me do, follow me exactly, and when you're on your own, you can practice. Right now, don't do what you think I'm doing. You're not the same thing. So spread your legs, give me pizza V. Oh yeah, by the way, if you want to work with me, you want us to have a conversation and see how we can get you better at dancing, I'll leave ways to contact me in the description, and I'll be expecting you. Yes, I'll be expecting you. So you're going to sit. That's the first move for our waist down. You put your hands like this. Remember, focus on how you feel. How do you feel? So now taking it to our hands, I want you to put your hands like this, like you're about to reach out for a block. So we are going to our left first, which is we go 1, 2. Now I'm stretching and I'm doing the full move because I'm teaching you. When you learn it, how you deliver it is left to you. But for now, we're going to learn everything to the extreme, right? So let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. Awesome. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. So now we're going to do the same thing here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you're dancing and you're not just watching me. And if you are dancing, you are doing well. If you are not, get up. Let's move our body. Come on, come on, come on. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. All right, so we take our hands now. I want you to keep your hands like this. You don't need to sit down anymore. Just get up. Let's learn what the hands are doing. Keep your hands like this. I've done similar moves, or I've taught similar moves in previous videos. So you are going to use your elbow. Let's imagine this is a ball. You see that? Although it won't be this intricate, I just wanted you to have a visual representation of what our hands are doing. So our elbow is doing this. You're going to be flapping like a chicken, but you are not a chicken. You are not. So yeah, we're doing it. Why did I keep doing this? So we are going to do 5, 6, 7, 8. You know we did 1, 2, 5, 6. Because this is 3, 4. So 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, if you're not smiling, you're doing it wrong. The goal is to be smiling and having fun. And you're not making mistakes. Let's call them happy sparks. They're just things that are born from you. But you're having happy sparks. You're not making mistakes. Let's go one more time. 5, come on, one more. 6, 5, 6, slow down. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's what I'm talking about. We're done with the first move, so let's go to the second one. Before we start the second move, if you have not subscribed to this channel, because I see on the back end that a lot of us are watching, liking, leaving comments, we are not subscribing. Please, this is one of the signals I use to tell that I'm doing something that you all love. And I love the comments, I love the likes, even though we need more. please subscribe. I appreciate it. And yeah, if you're new to the channel, join the family. So let's move to the next one. Basically, this is a move we do every single day of our lives, except you are, let's say, not able to walk. But other than that, we do it. In fact, everybody, or literally almost everybody, does it. We move forward and we move backwards, figuratively, and yeah. So we're going to dance forward and we're going to dance backward. Okay? So you might be asking how. Basically, we'll step to the front with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Am I right? Yeah. We step to the front with 4 counts and we step to the back with 4 counts. While we shimmy our upper body, move it how you feel like. Let your hands loose. One tip for you is if you feel like you always look stiff or look locked up, give your armpits breathing space when you dance. Once you see you're dancing and you look like this, just free it a bit. Can you see that this looks better than this? Sometimes it's fine to let the hands dangle, let them fly, let them not have aim. And other times, you need to know where to keep the hands. And as you go on in this channel, you will learn multiple. And I believe there are other videos that I've taught on this in the channel, so you can check it out. But yeah, so let your hands loose. So we're going to dance forward, walk and shake our body, and we're going to dance backward. Walk and shake our body. Simple. So let's try it. Starting with our right leg. 4 counts forward, 4 counts back. 4 counts forward, 4 counts back. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. That's simple, honestly. So let's try it again. Slowly. Even though it will feel weird, but 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Move your body. Let's go. 1, 2, 8, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. There's nothing much to this. I don't need to extend the teaching so that the video is long. Basically, you walk forward, you dance forward, you walk backwards, or you take steps backward, you shake your upper body backward, and that's the move. Let's go on to the next one. Okay, so for the last move, the focus more is on our legs. How do I explain this? We're going to be moving side to side. We're going to be dancing side to side, but our legs are, moving us. We're not just stable. So we take our right leg, we tap 1, we cross it behind. 1, follow me, yeah. 2, 3, 4. Let's go together. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, 8, 2, 3, 4. And then we take this leg and cross it behind. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1. Come on. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Keep going. 2. Now add your upper body. Move your upper body. Go. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1. Come on. 2, 8, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically, what I just did with us is what we'll be doing, but the focus more is on our legs. So the thing about dance is, even when you do moves, so doing a move is different from dancing the move. Because a lot of dance moves, when you do them without actually dancing, putting your body, shaking, having fun, giving the bounce and all this stuff, it looks like workouts. It looks like exercise or aerobics or something. And honestly speaking, I'm teaching you this move so you can have an idea of things you do when you are in a fit, or let's say things to help you escape from certain situations, right? But dance is freedom. Dance is freedom. So ideally anything can be dance. Mopping the floor, drinking water, sleeping, shaking your body, making a call, driving, all this can be dance moves. This is some of the major things I teach my personal students. You all are personal to me, don't get that wrong, but there are some people that are really in my space. So I needed to understand that literally anything you do can be dance. Because what we are doing now, someone just did it. And now everybody feels it's dance. In fact, some of the moves I've been teaching on the channel and even now, some of them were made by me. Because I did something, it felt good. I tried it for you, and I'm kind of seeing you. I'm not seeing totally. Right now, I'm seeing my camera, actually my phone camera, and you're doing well. You're doing well. So focus more on having fun, being free. If you want to practice, practice in a safe space, your room, practice with people that are your safe space, close friends, family, spouse. Practice where you are protected, because that is where you need to be vulnerable. If you can be in a safe space and be vulnerable enough to really learn all this that I'm teaching and more, then when you step out of your shell, you have already learned how to be, or how to, have tough skin in public. It's not going to be easy the first, second, third, fourth, fifth time, but every time it gets easier. Right? And I trust you. You're doing well. You can dance. I believe you. I believe in you so much. I believe in you so much. If you do not have anybody that believes in you, I'm one of them that do believe in you, so you have somebody. All right. So what we're going to do now is we'll mix the moves from the first one to the last one without the music, and then we'll try everything with the music, slow and fast. All right, let's go. Before we do, I found out I made a mistake, and I want to correct that. Not necessarily a mistake. It's just going to be a lot tougher for you. I can do it, but I want to bring it to your notice. So when it's time for us to move forward, because we usually end here, starting with your right to move forward feels very awkward. So ideally, the next best place to move is your left leg. So what I want you to do is condition yourself to move your left leg, but if you feel like your right leg is fine, go with it. There is no rules. Whichever leg works for you, but ideally your left leg is the best leg for this. So now let's try it in together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome stuff. Let's try with the music. At the end, you got to the end, you did amazing, you did great. Give yourself a high five. Self-five. That was awesome, that was beautiful. This video is here for you. If you feel like I was too fast or you haven't gotten the grasp of it, you can always rewatch the video or slow it down with the YouTube settings. I have a video on the screen right now. More amazing videos for you to learn from, better explanations, I told YouTube to pick for you. So whatever YouTube picked, I hope you like it. Click the next video. Bye.